Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project isn't a project. I'm opening my Big Plans planner kit. Now, I am a huge fan of a diary. I have two diaries that I work from. This one, or neither of them ever leaves my office, but this is my diary that I work with, you know, planning ahead of everything that I want to do and stuff like that. So this is the one I work with. It sits on my desk. Never moves, or once in a blue moon it moves off my desk. And this one is the one that I plan all my blog posts in, or actually when I've designed them I then write them in, and when I've filmed them and photographed them and actually they're live, let me find some old ones, I highlight through them and I know that I've done what I need to do. But I've got these for size comparison because I've not opened this yet, and I've only briefly seen one in real life, but I know I'm not the only planner person out there. Now, I don't particularly decorate my diaries. I use them literally for planning in and for storing notes and keeping information, and that's really all I use them for. So I'm not the kind of girl who, you know, puts stamping or decorating or anything like that in there, but I do like a pretty planner. So let's open this up. Okay, so nice big sturdy box, and then in here, so that's all my stuff. So I've got silica gel, obviously, for it to not get moist or anything. Right, so this is the diary. So it's a binder, and it's got pen loops, and it's going to be, so this is a standard pocket size, not pocket size, this is a personal planner. This is, you know, the size that Filofax brought out in the 80s and the 90s, and actually I do have Filofax inserts in here. So that's a standard planner. You get pocket, which is even smaller, but that's a bog standard one. And then this one has A5 sizing in it. Let me just, there we go. This is A5 and with extra room to write things. Look, you can tell that I'm a fan of a rainbow. Got my rainbow stickers in there. I do occasionally put stickers in. So this is A5, which for anybody in America, half sheet of cardstock size. So this is wider, but it's not as tall. So this, the one that I've got is from Kiki K. Filofax make them in this size too. So it's wider that way, but shorter that way. But it's nice, and it's sort of, I don't know what the word is, padded is probably the word. Okay, that's got 2 rings. Mine has got 6 rings, but that is, any planner will have standard rings unless you've got something like an arc planner, and they're not standard at all. Okay, so let's open this up. And I like this set, but even though I'm not the kind of decorating type person, or no, that's the wrong, the kind who decorates these, you can, because actually the Memories and More Big Plan set comes with it. Okay, so how do you set it? So what have we got here? Oh, that's bookmark. So we've got a bookmark there. Let me, if I start at the front. So a little pocket there and there. I've got those, yep, sticker sheets. Love everything, make it a day amazing, the best, enjoy. So it's, the colour theme is going off on it. These ones here, you can change your tabs. If you didn't want to have the months, you could change those, or you could, you know, put them at the top. That's probably, these would be good for water intake. Oh, we've got 2 different colours. Ooh, or 2 different sets of colours. So you could go the brighter, like this one, or you could go the more muted. But yeah, you can just put these little icons on your page, and then, oh, my calendar's upside down. Let me try and find the end of it. So you do, so this is, you can pick it up at any time of the year. I think that's, there we go. Oh, do you know what? I can see what it is. It's that way round. There we go. Okay, so what are these? So this is the, so you've got a notes section. Perfect, so you can scribble notes, and I wonder if you get one every month. No, I would suspect that's that one's upside down too. Have fun setting it up. Ah, there you go. You see, that makes sense. So you've got, oh, I'm going to have fun putting this together, aren't I? Let me get these into order. So December, November, October, September, August, July, loving the patterns, June, May, April, March, my birthday month, liking that, February, January. Okay, oh, I've got more stickers here. Ooh. And more there, and these are, right, so these are notes pages. Oh, there's lots of those. So these are blank, and they match this one, which is the notes. It goes, it goes that way round, and they go that way round. That's the section for notes. Should we put that away? Put notes in there, although to be fair I probably have notes at the back. Right, and what you need to do is look through your calendar. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Well, where's the rest of the month? There it is. Okay. Right, so you need to separate this part out, and what you would do is into your diary you would put month number 1 like that, and one sheet of those, and that's your month sorted, just the monthly overview. Now in my case I don't think, well, I'll find you an old one that is past. So in mine what I do is I write figures for the month, or figures for every single day on that, but I actually work off a planner that I work in hourly points. Oh look, that's when I'm away on stage. So I do have this calendar, this daily calendar, but I also have this one, so I've got figures at a glance. So that's what this one is. So you could perhaps use this as a blogging diary or something like that. So you would then come along and do each month. So you do February. So you've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday going across the top. March, April. So I will quickly set this bit up. And then I will show you how to shuffle things around. So I've got these off the page where you can't see them, unfortunately. Okay. Oh, and on the back it said, ah, that is clever, because, and I'm going to do it for January purposes only, and then I will show you how to move. Get it all lined up. Why is that one not lining up? Oh, it's because I haven't popped the holes through. And like I say, you can pick this up. So this is coming to you in August. So if you were to get one now, you would perhaps want to start, well, you could start it now, there's nothing stopping you, but you maybe want to start it in September. There it is. I knew I'd forgotten one. So you could start it in September and just simply move your diary sleeves round. Oh, postman's coming. Huh, he's going to knock on the door, isn't he? Oh, I dropped it. It's going to ring my doorbell. So you're getting the point of how you do this. So you put these bits in first, and obviously our months have different numbers of weeks, because you know, you might chance it that you've got 4 full weeks and 4 extra days, 3 extra days. So you would have more of them would fall in one week than another. Which one is that? That's not popped through there. That one and that one. I do like that one, that's lovely. So all of those in there. Right, so open up your calendar. You've got January, you've got the month at a glance, And then you're starting your daily part. So you would determine how many weeks there were in January. Well, there's going to mostly be 4. So you've got 1. That's week 2. That's week 1 with notes on the back. Where have all my Mondays gone? They're here. There's all my Mondays. So yeah, you need to spend some time. Oh, that's for the end of the month. Right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so on. So you'd get 4 weeks worth of those. That's a notes one, that's a notes one, that's a notes one. So I want the ones without notes on the back. So week 1, 2, week 3, we need another one. And we want the one with the writing on the back. Okay, so that's your 4 weeks of January. And like I say, there's going to be slightly more in some cases. And you kind of need to decide which has got more, which, you know, whether there's more days that fall into the previous month or more into the next. But so you've got every page will fold over, and then right at the end of the month, you have a notes section. So shall I do this slightly less complicatedly for February? Oh, he didn't ring the doorbell, thank goodness for that. So we want Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We need a Thursday that has Monday, Tuesday on it. So that's the first week. 2 weeks. 3 weeks. And week 4, we want one of these that's got that on the back. And that is your 4 weeks. So you just keep doing that all the way through. So literally I have opened this and done it all in front of you. I haven't looked at any Stampin' Up videos or anything like that to determine how to do it. So separate out all your parts. Separate out the ones that have got notes on the back, because those are going to be month end. That's another one. Separate out the ones that have got the 7 days front and back. And you just simply write. So obviously we know this is February, and you would write your dates on it. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then you decorate as you like. And so I'm just going to tuck all these parts to the back to show you how full it gets, just to get them out of the way. And these sticker sheets have all got holes, so you can keep them at the front. And those, keep them in the front. And these ones as well. You can move these around and add them into your diary pages, obviously by the fact that it opens and closes. There's your bookmark as well. And actually you don't need to close and open. And in here there's probably instructions telling you how to put it together. Assemble each month in order. Front and reverse sides of pages are shown. Figure 1. Oh, look! There was instructions. Oh, look, there's washi tape as well. Follow the instructions. And I wanted to show you this while I've got it here as well, because it is part of the same suite. This would be a really good gift for somebody going off to college, university, maybe somebody who's, you know, a student who's moving to start doing GCSEs or exams. My eldest son is doing his big exams this year. Perhaps wouldn't appreciate the floral. But they do go along with it, and it's speciality ones as well. But yeah, or just anybody who likes to be organised. Like I say, I work off. I don't have a diary for family life. I carried that lot around in my head quite happily. I suppose because I kind of add children's information to mine. But yeah, anybody who likes to be organised. So I've got sticker sheets here. These lovely speciality ones. So this is Memories and More. That is part of the same suite, although you'd buy it separately. And also, just to say, there is a refill kit for the planner. Aren't they gorgeous? Great for cards. A good friend knows all your best stories. A best friend has lived them with you. Oh, I love that.
of these, more stickers. Ooh, oh, loads of stickers. So if you are somebody who stickerizes their planner or their diary or whatever you want to call it, bargain here because there's loads. You're one of those people who make life better just by being in it. Oh, love that. All the things. Love what you do and share what you love. Well, that's perfect for demonstrators. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. Okay. But my dad is a huge fan of Oscar Wilde, so I might put that in the post to him. And then we've got all these little ones here as well. I don't know if any of these are speciality. Let's have a look. Have a look. I haven't done this sort of video for a long time. I normally do project tutorials, but I like to mix it up. You are stronger than you know. Happy day. So great for journaling. So I know some people have their diaries and they also, you know, take photos and use, I don't know what those things called, selfies, where you print out little miniature photographs and add those to diaries. And obviously Memories and More is built with those kind of things in mind. But yeah, you know, there's nothing stopping you adding to your own diary, although I'm a bit brutal when I finished a page. Actually, when I've finished a month, I then take it out of my diary, and if there's no facts and, you know, as in there's no financial information that I need for my accountant, then I just bin that page. Scatter kindness like confetti, because I do have everything noted. It's the big day. Carpe diem. So I think all the stickery bits were in the main ones, the bigger ones. Today is a good day for a good day. Oh, you are my fave. Oh, that's lovely. So scatter kindness like confetti. Is it so multi-purpose? But look at all these. So pretty. So loads and loads of stickery bits. We've got borders and edging. And like I say, we've got washi tape, which is... That has got... It's reflecting, but it's got tiny little sort of butterflies. Actually, it's this shape. It's these ones. But these are all shimmery and shiny. So lovely. That one as well. And that one. And then all of the stickers. Oh, marvellous. There are loads of stickers. There's more there. Just fabulous. So, like I say, not what I normally share as a video. I normally share a project tutorial, but I really wanted to show you this in detail because it's more than simply a planner, more than somewhere to simply add. And I will see if I can add Filofax inserts. Let me grab the back of my diary to here, which I should be able to because it is standard sizing. Filofax always puts loads in. And there we go. No problem. So if you have Filofax or you work, because I like the columns and I like the hourly bits. Look, on stage. That's why I've got a big cross through it because I'm away. So I actually work in half-hour increments, but your standard diary insert will fit. And like I say, that's a Kiki K planner that happens to match Broadway bound. So this is a Kiki K page for budget, and that fits perfectly as well. So transferable, mix and match. Follow the instructions. I love it. It's sparkly. Can you see the little silver twinkly bits? So nice. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me. Let me know if you get one. Show me some of your decorated pages if you decorate. And I'll speak to you very soon. Back with a normal tutorial on Wednesday. Whichever day comes after this one. Bye.